Welcome to Life Raft! We have never been on an adventure before, so we are going to enter a new username.
Betty.
Betty. Betty's a great name. Alright, and we're going to check it out by rivers first. Here's a list of some rivers in Colorado. Let's check out the North Platte. There's only one trip available on the North Platte. Maybe instead we'll go back to the main menu and we'll check it out by companies instead. Ooh, a lot of companies here too. Let's check out AVA. Oh my goodness, it's a ton of trips. Maybe, and there's a ton of different locations you can see in here too, and different rivers. It might be better to narrow it down. Go back to the main menu, we'll check it out by the headquarters location. Well, Idaho Springs is the closest to Denver. If you just want to go for the day, not make it a big deal. Ooh, this is better. Different companies on the same river. Let's see here. I think Crazy Creek. We're going to remember Crazy Creek trip. So we'll go back to the main menu, go to all trips available, scroll all the way down to Crazy Creek. Oh, cool. Can view all the details for that again. I'm going to add it to my favorites. And I can go view them. So by viewing my favorites gives me those details again and lets me plan that trip. I'm going to go with, well, I'm doing a bachelorette party this weekend, so there's going to be 12 of us. So let's see how much this is going to cost. Well, it's a good thing it calculates it for me and tells me how much it'll be for all 12 of us. It makes it easy to plan my trip. So we can return back to the main menu, and then I'm done. So I'm just going to abandon ship. It gives you a nice little message to end with.